Hey everybody, it's Brian. It's Dimash again today, a song I've never heard. This is way back, I think, early in his career. Blizzard Again. So I'm expecting great things. So enjoy it with me. Let's go. Oh wow, cool. Nice.
За тобой, не закрывая дверь, я живу уже который год, и с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановленный кого-то ждет. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Ты меня не ведая прости, на пороге долго не томись, ведь теперь у нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять.
Okay, I have to stop for copyright reasons, but a beautiful, and the audience, that lady was singing along. The live orchestra, a beautiful addition to a beautiful singer. This is incredible. The flag flying in the background. So I think this is something to do with Kazakhstan directly. I don't know if it's the Kazakhstan orchestra or what. Sorry, I don't have subtitles here, but. Live audience, beautiful, fantastic. The crowd just riveted on every note. The beautiful dancers, the beautiful orchestra there. Everyone just honed in, silent, listening to the beautiful voice of Dimash. Again, fantastic. I've never heard that song. Someone can please help me out. Tell me where that is, some background about that song. I'd really appreciate that. Check out my merch links below. Join, please subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. I love those. Okay, appreciate everything that you guys do and that you help me out as much as you can. Thanks. See ya.